Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Home Designer. What is elevation? What does elevation mean? We cover in this article one of the key terminologies of architectural deliverables, that is elevation. Elevation is a general term also used in the geographic context. However, the focus of this article is from an architectural and building design perspective. Elevation of a building. Definition of an elevation. Architectural terminology. A two-dimensional representation of a building form as seen from the vertical orthographic plane. In simple words, a 3D object is represented in a series of 2D drawings as seen from different vertical planes. Alternative meaning. The term elevation may be used to identify the height of a building, structure, or land. Common terminology of elevation is referred to as average mean sea level in this context. What is elevation drawing? Elevation drawings are orthographic elevations, which means they are flat 2D drawings. Orthographic projections, according to Merriam-Webster, is the projection of a single view of an object, such as view of the front, onto a drawing surface in which the lines of projections are perpendicular to the drawing surface. This is not to be confused with the concept of 3D elevation. 3D elevation is a real-time elevation generation based on CAD drafting. As one changes elements in the floor plans, changes reflects in the elevation. Coming back to the elevation definition. What are the types of elevation? Elevation can be identified as front elevation, rear elevation, and side elevation based on the road abutting the building. In case the building is aligned to the compass direction, the elevation can be identified as north, south, east, and west elevation. In this case, north elevation could be mean the elevation which is facing towards the north direction, and not the elevation as seen from the north side of a plot towards the building. It is important differentiation to note. Now there are other related concepts such as 3D elevation, elevation views, and axonometric views. However, we will not be covering these terminologies in this article. What is the front elevation of a building? Out of the four sides of a building, the elevation deriving access through a road is considered as the front elevation of a building.
Fearless.